So guys, welcome back to this channel. If today is the first time on this channel, you are welcome. Today we are preparing jollof rice, and I am here to share with you how I prepare my jollof rice. It is so simple, so simple. And this video is in collaboration with two wonderful content creators also, and their names are Godlina, Eyram, and also Maame Pee's kitchen. So I'm going to leave all their links in the description below. Kindly check them out. They are also sharing their method or their way of preparing jollof rice, and I am so happy and glad to be collaborating with these two wonderful sisters. So without further ado, let's get started. So when I'm preparing my jollof rice, first of all, as we all do, you pour your oil in your saucepan. And this oil I have here, I used it to fry my chicken. And I have my chicken stock to aside. So when the oil is hot, I just add my chopped onions to it. Normally when I'm doing my jollof rice, my onions, it doesn't really matter to me whether it's fried or not. All what I know is I fry it for some time and then I add in my next ingredient. I'm going to allow it to fry for some time, let's say 2-3 minutes, and then we continue. It's been a minute now. The next thing I'll add is my tomatoes. Now, many people, or you may add tomatoes, I mean fresh tomatoes, when you're preparing your jollof rice, but I don't like fresh tomatoes in my jollof rice. No. What I like is this tomato, I don't know what, tomato puree or what. Yes, this is what I use to prepare my jollof rice, and the outcome is superb. So I pour in my, and then stir it. And one thing also is, when preparing jollof rice, don't make your stew too many. No, it wouldn't come out so sweet, I mean delicious. You understand? So after I add my pepper, and I like my pepper to very fresh, and I like it a lot in my jollof rice. If you know me and you've eaten my jollof rice before, you will know that my jollof rice tastes good, but the pepper is too much. And I love it. Jollof rice with a lot of pepper, oh my god. I have an auntie who she loves my jollof rice. Whenever she's eating my jollof rice, she'll be like, yeah dear, the jollof rice dear. This is what she'll be doing, you know. She'll be sniffing, yeah dear, the jollof rice dear. Now so boom, and she'll finish one plate and come for another one. That is how to know my jollof rice as one in a million, you know. So I'll let this boil or simmer for, let's say, 20 minutes, and then we continue our jollof rice. So from time to time, I'll keep stirring it to avoid it from burning. So at this point, I'll add in my spices, and the only thing I add to my jollof rice is curry powder. I don't add anything, any spices. So it's curry powder, just to give it a nice curry powder scent. And then stir it nicely, and then add salt to it. Where's my salt? So I've added 1 cube of Maggi to it, and then I almost forgot, this as one of the spices I love to add to mine. This is fennel seed. I don't blend it or grind it. All what I do is take some and then add it to it. Normally too, when I have anise seed, I add it to it. It gives it a very nice scent, you know. And then add salt to it. You have to be generous. So another tip, or one tip I'll give you is, let your salt be generous. You understand? Let it be enough at this point. All right, it's been 5 minutes now. So when you don't have stock, or when I'm doing my jollof rice and I don't have stock, I just go ahead and then add my rice to it. But I have the stock, so I'll just add it to it and stir. And then add enough water to it. Okay, it's enough. So you can see a lot of water, yeah? That is how you should. I mean, your rice and your jollof rice should be looking like, there shouldn't be too much water and there shouldn't be less water. You dey bab? So at this point, you have to give the jollof rice time to cook. Jollof rice doesn't require too much heat to cook. It needs, steam. So when you put in your rice, lower your heat. Lower your heat. Cover it, and then you will be checking it every 5 minutes. Yeah? Every 5 minutes. Yeah, one little start to go. Yeah, yum. So at this point, you lower your heat. Let it be set it on low heat. My sister, I said set it on low heat. And then cover it. Set it on low heat and then cover it. Now it needs the steam to cook, not heat. Not high heat to cook. Do you understand? So as time goes on, you will be stirring